Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Projectiles can be tricky, but we can solve this physics puzzle fast by focusing on the horizontal motion and the vertical fall distance. First, we need to find the time it takes for the block to hit the ground. Since gravity is the only vertical force, the height h determines the total fall time. Next, we look at the horizontal distance x2. Because horizontal velocity is constant during the fall, we can calculate the speed by dividing that distance x2 by our calculated time. So, knowing both h and x2 gives us everything needed to find the launch speed. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given values to master every projectile motion problem easily.